Okay, so to make these buttercream rosettes, this is actually some cream cheese buttercream. I'm using a 1 inch Wilton piping tip, 1 inch. So you just squeeze in the middle and then you just go around keeping it really close as you're going around. Don't spread it out or separate like I'm doing here. Wrong way. You see those gaps or gashes in the middle? You don't want that. So you're gonna squeeze and keep it close to make these beautiful, pretty, they are just so pretty. You can also achieve roses with other like petal tips, but this is the easiest one to use, especially if you are a beginner. I ran out of buttercream, I had to refill, and the easy part about this is that you can just pick up where you left off and go all around. I did go ahead and fix the other one that had those gashes. I was just able to add some buttercream around that. And you guys, these are the perfect cupcakes. They are so pretty. You can throw some sprinkles on them, some cupcake toppers, or just leave them just as pretty as they are. Thanks for watching. Bye.